Welcome and congratulations. You hit the Learn More button on the Xcelerate Subscription, which means you're probably a free member. In order to subscribe or upgrade for $20 a month, just click the Activate button. If you want to learn more about the compensation plan, once you upgrade, click the Earn button and it will give you a PDF rundown of the compensation plan. When you subscribe to an Xcelerate subscription, you are upgrading. $20 a month gives you the opportunity to save 30 to 70% off all of our retail products. If you look over in the shop button to the left, you're going to see all of the products in the categories, 30 to 70% off of retail. You'll also you're able to take part in our compensation plan. We have a 3x10 forced matrix compensation plan, dynamic compression, check match. All of the features are described in the compensation plan PDF once you hit the Earn button. But more importantly, when you upgrade for $20 a month, you are going to get landing pages. You're going to get social media digital kit. You're going to get graphics. You're going to get emails. You're going to get posts. You're going to get nearly everything that you need to be able to build your Xcelerate business. And when you upgrade, you're moved to the top position in the matrix. And anyone who upgrades after you is placed below you in the matrix. So upgrading, clicking that Activate button is super, super important to getting into the matrix. You can still earn as a free member, but if you want to earn more, create an actual business and leverage your time and resources, then upgrade as soon as possible. I hope that helps. Again, for a more in-depth description of what the Xcelerate subscription does, get with the person who referred you and they'll be able to answer more of your questions.